Hello dear Taurus, welcome back to my channel and this is your second week's reading. We are going to cover your career and your love life both. If you're looking for a monthly reading, that's already uploaded on my channel. So if you are a Sun Moon Rising Taurus, this reading is for you. Your cards are already out, so let's begin. You have got the Three of Swords and the Ten of Suns for your career. Now, I do see that you were expecting a promotion, you were expecting a lot of success coming your way, a lot of money coming your way in your business, but that is not how exactly this week is going to turn out. I do see that you will be facing a lot of burdens, a lot of politics, and it's not just one person who is doing that, it's like a group of people that I see who will be trying to bring you down, eat your position, take your seat, take your clients, your business, your money, or even harm your reputation. So you have to be very careful this week. The advice for you will be to endure the difficult times of this week. If you can endure it, if you can show the strength, if you do not give up, you will be facing with a better future. Just let this week pass. Endure it. I know those blames are wrong. I know those witnesses are false. I know everything that is happening to you. I can feel it. I can see it. I can read it. But you have to be brave. You have to be strong in this week, and you will see that the next week will be much, much better when you come out of it. And please do identify these people and try to maintain a distance with them and try to create your own community who can help you in this time. And if you're still not able to do that, be alone, rely on yourself and have some self-confidence and do not give up. Let's see what's happening in your love life now. You have got the Abyss card and the Prince card. I do see that you're intuitive, I do see that you're wise, but sometimes you have that ability to procrastinate things, which means if you know that you've found the one, you really like someone, you will just delay and delay and delay the communication, the conversation. So there is a need for action from your side. If you think you've found the right person, which I do see that you have, probably you'll get a very good offer from somebody who will be like your prince charming or princess. They will be well settled, they will be kind. I also see them having a good background, their own house, company. They could be an employee or employer at a high position where they have a lot of servants or a lot of people to give order to, a lot of authority. So that kind of person will be coming your way. And if you have already identified this person, please take action. If you want them in your life, please take action. And if you have already got the offer, please respond to the offer. Don't sit on it, because I do see that you are procrastinating your own destiny, your own life from coming your way. If you're already in a relationship or marriage, I do see that your partner will be in a very kind and giving mode. So if there is something that you are stopping, if you are not showing love, if you're not being expressive, try to show love to them, and then you see how kind they become towards you. They will shower you with gifts, with love, attention, everything that you need. You just have to take that one step. Okay, so follow this advice in your career and your love life and see how smoothly this week will pass, and hopefully the next week will be even better for you. So if you guys resonated with this reading, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. If you would like to book any reading with me, any ritual or counseling session with me, I do that as well. Very easy, cheap rituals, cheap counseling sessions and readings and powerful rituals as well. You can book them by emailing me at asthasharma842@gmail.com, or you can directly DM me on my Instagram channel, which is the Moksha Tarot. Guys, please also follow me on Instagram because I post all such details. I have number of service available, like different packages. I have different packages for love. I have different packages for people who are single. I have different packages for people who are looking for career only. So every package, every counseling session will even come with a free remedy, the guidance from your spirit guides. So go ahead and book that reading. All these details are mentioned in my description box below and my bio as well. Check it out. And to know the prices, ping me, send me an email, and I will send you the list. Then you can choose whatever service you want and whatever is in your budget. Okay, I have variety of services, different range of budget altogether, and I also have audio video call sessions with me. So go ahead, book it. Thank you for watching my channel. Take care of yourself, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.